the 1st March 2021, next week. I already uploaded on our Telegram group, okay, and then make sure you can what we call look at it and then identify the teachers involved in your timetable. Yeah, okay. So a few things I need to do. I need to tell you. So I will upload once again one very important things. Yeah, please wait. I will show you something. Okay, can you see my presentation?
Yes.
Okay. If you can see my presentation, this is your latest timetable for next week, yeah, starting at 1st of March 2021, yeah, not 22nd of February. Okay, so if you look at the timetable, it is like a normal timetable. Yeah? It is like a normal timetable. Very, what we call, packed timetables lah. So I already upload this, what we call the new timetable on our Telegram group. And then if you notice, for example, I will show you something. The circle here. Okay, I will zoom on the Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday parts. I already got the circle here. Can you, not the circle, the square here. Can you see the square, the orange color square here? What does it mean? Okay, if you can see the square here that I already made, for example, on Monday, start from 7:30 to 8:30 a.m. in the morning for 1 hour. So this is what we call by tutorial, tutorial. Okay, what is mean by tutorial? Meaning that the teachers will be there standby for you if you have any question. Okay, maybe, but it's actually up to the teacher whether the teacher want to do the online class or no. For example, right now, Google Meet, right? We are conducting, you are participating in our Google Meet, right? So it is up to the teachers actually, all right? But if you notice the square, for example, PJK, boys for Cikgu Erwan, and then for the girls, Cikgu Fadilah. There is the name of the teachers, the name of the teachers. So meaning that it is just a tutorial. Maybe it is not completely online like Google Meet, like we are doing right now. It is not like that. Maybe just for tutorial only. Maybe you can stand by on the Telegram group and then stand by if they have anything to give you exercises or anything in the Telegram. Okay. Second, 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. This is also tutorial. The square one is tutorial, and then for the third lesson, 8:30, 8:30 to 9 a.m. here, 8:30 to 9 a.m. This one should be your online class. Okay, should be your online class, meaning the screen time lah, screen time. Okay, and then for the fourth lesson, lesson number 4, only tutorial. Okay, for example, Cikgu Wan will teach you, is your PSV teachers. Lesson number 3 and lesson 3 and lesson 4 is PSV time. Okay. Lesson number 3, maybe the teacher will conduct online classes using Google Meet lah or whatever. And then for lesson number 4, starting from 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m., just a tutorial, meaning that if you have anything to ask using Telegram or WhatsApp or whatever, the teachers will be there for you. Okay, because we do not want entirely, if you look at the timetable from lesson 1 until lesson 1 to lesson 12, very compact, right? Very packed with what? Packed with subject you need to learn. So it is not what we call online class, entirely online class. No. Okay. It is not entirely online class. it is depend on the teachers also, because we do not want you to, you know, to stare on the screen of your handphone or maybe on computer only. Okay, but I don't know lah. This is what school the new timetable, the new timetable that school decided to do next week is like this. Okay, it's a little pack, you see kan, dia terlalu banyak subjek, right? But never mind, it is up to the teacher. Maybe screen time only maybe about 1 hour, less than 1 hour. For example here, okay. Also on Monday, if you see my class here, is 1.5 hours, starting from 10:30 to 12. This is only my class, right? 3 lesson, 3 period. Okay, so for the first and second period, lesson number 6 and lesson number 7, I maybe do the online classes lah, but maybe I will maybe do it less than 1 hour lah. And then what I'm going to do in lesson number 8, lesson number 8 is tutorial. Okay, is tutorial. If you have anything to ask, not directly online, but maybe through Telegram only. Okay, maybe to Telegram only. The online meeting, the online classes, I will just do from 10:30 maybe to 11:30 only. Can you understand this? Can you understand what I'm talking about? Yeah. It is. Yes. Okay. Very good. It is not entirely online. Yeah. It is up to the teachers whether to decide whether you want to do the online class or no. Okay. Maybe on the 8th period, my subject, because I have 3 lessons, I will give you online, what we call online quizzes. Okay, but screen time, live online class, online class secara langsung, live online class maybe about less than 1 hour lah, maybe 10:30 to 11:15 like that. Okay, maybe 10:30 to 11:15. And then for the third class, for the third lesson in science on Monday, just tutorial. Maybe I will give you simple quiz or like that. Okay. BI also like this. For the first half an hour online, live meeting. Okay, face to face. You can see me, and like we do like now lah. And then for the second period in English, maybe the teacher will give you the tutorial, maybe the quiz, or maybe whatever you want to do or she want to do, maybe using Telegram. Okay, I hope this is clear. So the square here meaning that the teachers need to conduct offline tutorial lah, maybe not entirely online. Not entirely by using Google Meet right now. Okay, so this is the timetable you need to aware of, right? Starting from next week, 1st of March, until when? Okay, because of the reopening of the school is at 5th April, right? You come back to school. Okay, when you come back to the school, standby, there may be another timetable. Okay, but for the time being, right now, this is the timetable you need to follow during the learning at home. Okay, so many, right? I also very when I look at your timetable, I look at my own timetable. Sometimes, wow, very headache. How can I conduct these too many classes? Okay. But it is up to the teacher, not entire online class. Maybe only half an hour online, maybe less than half an hour, and the next one maybe tutorial. So the square one that I marked here, meaning that you need to do, the teachers need to do the tutorial lah only, because we want to less your screen time. Okay, you cannot, what we call just stare at the handphone or stare at the computer for the long period of time, because it is very, what we call, it's unhealthy to the eye, for example, and then we will become fatigued or quickly, what we call, tired by looking at the monitor. Okay. So anything to ask regarding our new timetable? Anything to ask? Can you clearly understand me?
Yes.
Our new timetable? Yeah. Make sure yes. Okay. Thank you for your response, and then make sure the other student also can understand this, and then try to explain to your parent as well. Okay, because this is not entirely online class. All right. The square that I mark here on your timetable is for tutorial only. Okay. So, for example, again, on Monday, how many online class there are? Only one, and then 2, 3, 4. Only four. Only 4 online class. Only 4 online class meeting face to face. PSV for half an hour, and then BM also for half an hour on Monday. And then for science, maybe about less than 1 hour lah. I think I will do less than 1 hour screen time. And then for English, half an hour. Okay. The square one, the square that I mark here is just for tutorial. Okay. Can you understand this? Boleh Bukan
Yes.
bukan. Okay, very good. Bukan daripada pagi-pagi sampai petang semua tengok komputer, no. Semua tengok handphone, no. Tak boleh macam itu, betul? Ada masa-masa tertentu sahaja. This is what I mean, Ada masa tertentu online, ada masa tertentu you just do the tutorial. Okay. So this is the latest one lah, This is the latest one. What else? Hope you understand lah, Hope you understand this. Okay, number 2, second one, about the bantuan 100 ringgit. For those who are qualified or eligible for the bantuan, please complete the form, and then how you want to send it to me, you just put it in the pondok pengawal at the entrance of our school. Pintu masuk pengawal, hantar saja borang di situ, Ada beberapa orang lagi, never mind. Yang tidak berminat pun kena, what to say, like I said earlier lah, yang tidak berminat, if you do not interested to take the bantuan, but you also need to come to the school to fill the rejection form lah. Ada satu borang untuk tolak 100 ringgit itu. But like I said earlier, I suggest you to take the 100 ringgit lah, for your, just for your expenses. You can buy stationery, or you can buy food or whatever you want with the 100 ringgit. It is yours, Itu kamu punya. So jangan tolak lah, jangan tolak. I strongly suggest you just take the money. Alright, okay, that is number 2, because today is Thursday, and then maybe you can complete the form lah, You can submit the form as late as tomorrow lah. Tomorrow also, you can still send in the form. Okay, that is number 2. Right. Is it clear? Is it clear? Any question you want to ask regarding our class? Regarding our class? No question, Okay. So next one. Good morning, sir. Good morning, Kaiwan. Okay, Telegram. Wait, So, like I said last time, I will start chapter 2 next week. Okay. Today is just tutorial lah. Okay, we start tutorial for today, because last time I asked you to do the exercises on what? On formative practice 1.6 and 1.7. You still remember? You already finished it? Any question? Any problem? And then also, what is the last exercise here? And then your workbook, right? Okay, and then your workbook Mesra Digital Workbook. This workbook, right? You bought this one, right? So for the Mesra Digital Workbook, I need you to complete all chapter 1 question, question 1 until question 11, and then the practice PT3, section A, section B, and section C. Okay, any problem on those question, those chapter, I will show you the question right now, right? Okay, especially this one. Can you see the presentation? Can you see my display?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
practice ke arah PT3, right? This one, Any problem about this? We want to discuss it right now or what? You can do the self check maybe. Okay. So now it's 9:20. So I think we better discuss the question lah. Okay. I hope you already open your workbook. I want to ask you, for the student version of this workbook, got the page number or no? Can please check it for me? Page number.
Yes.
Got
Yes.
page number, right? Okay. Meaning that
Yes.
this page, practice ke arah PT3 is page number 11. Is it true?
Yes.
Page 11, right? Because why? It is very weird. Because my version, this is the teacher's version, teacher's version which has answer in it. No, I find it very funny. No page number. That's why I cannot refer to you which page number if you need to do the exercise. I just give you the question number only. But never mind. Okay, never mind. All right. So I think section A, any problem? Okay, if you have nothing to ask, so never mind. So this is the what we call the format. I want to talk to you right now. The format of the, excuse me, the format of our science paper, PT3 science paper. So if you look at your workbook right now, maybe you can open your workbook, page 11. So the format of the science PT3 paper consists of 3 sections, section A, section B, and section C. And then these are the question on section A, on page 11 on your workbook is the sample question. This is what the question look like. Okay, section A is relatively very easy question because it gives you the option, objective question, right? So section A, for example, question 1, this is the what we call the example of the question, give you the statement, or sometimes maybe give you the picture, and then you just select the correct answer here. Okay, how many questions in section A? You just remember the question in section A consists of 20 questions. Okay, 20 questions. Right, multiple choice question. For example, okay, you look at the question number 1. All right, diagram 1 shows a scientific invention that facilitates our life. So this is what we call by the statement. Okay, the statement. All right, give you the what we call the keywords here, the point here. Right, scientific invention that facilitate our life, and then we show you a picture of space shuttle or the spaceship. Okay, and then go to the question. This is the statement. All right, A is the what we call a statement, and then B part is the question. Okay, these are the statement. A is the statement, and then B is the question. Okay, make sure you read all the question thoroughly, detailed. Do not skip the statement. Do not jump right to the question. You need to read the statement, and then you need to analyze and then to observe the picture. Right. So next one, the question: what is the benefits of the? Do you want to answer this very easy one? Question number 1. Question
outer
is
space.
B. Okay, thank you very much. I hope others also choose B. Explore outer space. Okay, this is the right answer. Okay, see tiny object. It is not. See tiny object. One of the invention, yes, but it is not related to the picture, right? A also the benefit, but not related to the picture. Okay. See space object also no. Okay. You can what we call cancel the wrong option lah. Never mind. In your real question paper, you can what we call by using pencil. You just use to, for example, A. You just cancel the question. Okay. Do not what we call let the question paper so tidy, so clean. You can choose to what we call cancel the question. Boleh conteng lah, boleh conteng soalan, but in the answer paper jangan conteng lah ya. Tapi kalau soalan ini in the question you can what we call cancel the wrong answer and whatever, right? So C is not, for example, right now I just cross the wrong option. Contact a distant person, no. So this is the correct one, B. Right, number 1 is B. But usually for section A, easy question, objective question, because the answer is already given. You just need to choose the correct answer. All right. So this is for question in section A. So go to the next question. Again, you need to read the statement. You need to read the statement, and then you need to observe or analyze the picture given. Okay. Then if you understand the statement, you already observe or watch or see the picture, then you go next to the question. These are the questions. What is the carrier? Very easy one here. I think you can do it less than 10 seconds. What's the answer? Question number 2.
Nurse. C.
Of course. Yes, C, nurse. Not doctor, not engineer, not pharmacist. Okay. Like I said earlier, you can what we call in the question paper, you can tag, you can what we call conteng, boleh tandakan. You can cancel the wrong answer for you easier for you to choose the correct answer, right? Okay, like next one, question number 3. Okay, this one is very special question because it need you to choose 2 or more correct answer. All right. It also gives you the option, but you need to choose only 2 correct answer. Yeah. Okay. Again, for this type of question, number 3, it's just give you the question only. There is no statement. There is no hint. Dia tidak ada pembayang. Dia tidak ada maklumat. Just give directly the answer. So what is the answer here? The question. Sorry, it give you directly the question. Which of the following apparatus used to measure the volume? These are the keywords. Maybe later on when you go to the examination hall, you can bring the highlighter, because you want to what we call I need you to point or to highlight the important keywords in the question. Later on you try to bring the highlighter. Okay, boleh conteng kertas soalan, boleh conteng, no problem. Right. So number 3, apparatus measure volume of liquid. These are the keywords. So you understand the question, then you try to choose the answer. Remember to what we call to cancel the answer that is wrong. Okay. For example, number 1, go one by one. Go one by one the options stated here. Number 1, beaker can or cannot measure volume?
Cannot.
Can or cannot? Pipette.
Cannot.
Cannot, I used to measure volume of the liquid. The question here. Wait, okay. Beaker, it is not suitable for measure the volume, so you can cancel this. Okay, you can cancel number one, right? The first choice, the number one answer is not correct. So you go back to the ABCD option. You can also cancel what? You can also cancel. Which one you can cancel in ABCD?
Conical.
Okay. Like this. Okay. The first option is beaker. You know that beaker is not the correct answer. Beaker is wrong answer. Okay. Then you go to the ABCD option, which what we call which ABCD answer you can also cancel.
A and D.
A and yes, A and D. So it just bring you only option C and B and C. Okay. So for number 3 is correct. So you no need to what we call, you no need to care about number 3 lah, because number 3 is correct answer. Can you understand me? Right now it's number 2 and only number 4. Number 2 and number 4 here. So between number 2 and number 4, which one is the correct answer? Pipette or conical flask?
Pipette.
Pipette is the correct answer. So you can cancel conical flask. So the answer is. So the answer is what? So the answer is
D.
C. This is how. Okay, this is how you answer the multiple choice, stratify or layer multiple choice question. All right. Okay, next one, number 4. This is one of the question. The answer is in the form of picture. Again, you need to read the question, right? Which of the following symbol is meant for poisonous and toxic substance? Okay, you can highlight it or you can underline it, then you know what you are looking for. Okay, which one? Very easy, this one. Poisonous and toxic. A is what?
Donkey.
Okay, okay, very good. The answer is donkey, of course. Yeah? The symbol of the skull and the bone, meaning that already dead person lah. Okay, if you ingest, if you inhale or ingest the substance, maybe if not getting the right treatment, the person will maybe die. So A is radioactive. C is what? This one? C is what?
Irritant.
Irritant. Yes, irritant. Irritant mean maybe if the substance touch your skin will become itchy, or your skin will become red. That is irritant. And then B is not in the textbook. So B is just what we call what is the words? B is what we call distraction, just to distract you with the what we call the possible answer. So the answer is D. Okay, number 5. This one, the calculation, the question about calculation. Again, you must able to highlight the important question. So I will read the question here. Want to make 4 cake, and then 1 cake is required 420 grams of flour. How much flour is needed in unit of kilogram? I think this one is very easy question. So what is the answer?
A.
The answer is A. Yeah? The answer is A. You just what? You just multiply 420 grams to times 4 and then convert it to kilograms. So the answer is A. Okay. All right. For section B, this is the sample on section B. So next question, section B, class. Okay, section B is similar to section 1, but you need to write the question. Usually in section B, class, there are how many questions? There are 5 questions, and then each question carry 4 marks. Okay, they are usually in section B, 20 marks, and then there are 5 questions that each question carry 5 marks. Four marks. Yeah, right. Okay. For example, here these are the example. Again, please read the question from the first one until the last one. Right. Do not skip reading the question. Right. Why this is required? Number 1, A, write the name of the laboratory apparatus given below. If you notice, there are a possible answer here. Okay, that's why I said in section B is just like a section A where there is an answer, there is an option for your answer, but you need to choose it very carefully, lah. Okay, number 1. So what is the okay, just two space to write the answer here. So it gives you 4 possible answer, and then you just need to write only 2. And then also, please aware of the mark given. Okay, class, you need to aware of the mark given here. How many marks in 1A? How many marks?
2 marks.
Only 2 marks, meaning that you only need to write 2 answer here. So of course, the question 1A1 is the conical flask, and then 1A2, the answer is what? The answer is tripod stand. Yes, very good. Right? So you can also conteng, or you can cancel the wrong answer on your question paper later. Okay, it is not beaker, it is not without stand, it is conical flask, and then tripod stand. Okay, question number 1B, right? State maknanya kamu tuliskan, senaraikan, ya. State the laboratory apparatus corresponding with the given function. So what is the function? 1B1, measure volume liquid accuracy of 1 centimeter cubic. Okay, the accuracy measure volume of liquid accuracy of 1 centimeter cubic is, what is the answer? Anybody?
Measuring cylinder.
Yes, very good. Yeah, the answer here is measuring cylinder. Okay, measuring, M-E-A-S-U-R-I-N-G, cylinder. Correct. C-Y-L-I-N. Okay, measuring cylinder. Okay. Second one. 1B2. 2. Evaporate the liquid from a solution. To evaporate a liquid, this one is what we call by the name evaporation.
Evaporating.
Evaporating or evaporation?
Evaporating.
Yes, evaporating dish. What happens if you write evaporation dish? Do you think I can accept or cannot accept? Do you think?
Cannot accept.
Cannot, you think? Evaporation dish. Huh?
No.
Cannot. Just a slight mistake only. For me, okay, this is what teachers been told. If you write evaporation, because it doesn't carry others meaning, it doesn't carry others meaning. So I will accept this. I will accept the answer, evaporating or evaporation, because it meaning the same. From the main word evaporate, evaporating, evaporation. Because why? Because sometimes maybe you are confused with the terms, right? With the words. So we as a teacher are told to accept your answer. Unless the words you write there carry others meaning. That is totally cannot accept lah. Okay. Evaporation. For example, you can see the changes I do. Evaporating what? I will. Can you see the answer? The wrong answer here.
Yes.
Evaporating what?
This.
This. If you write evaporating this, there is a spelling mistake there. Not D-I-S-H, D-I-S-K. D-I-S-K meaning there is a carry others meaning, right? So this answer, what do you think? Can I accept it or wrong?
Wrong.
This one is totally wrong. Because it carry others meaning. Evaporating disk. The correct word is what? Dish. Okay. Or dish. Okay. So make sure when you want to write the name, make sure you identify the spelling correctly. Okay. Next one. If I write measuring cylinder like this. Measuring cylinder. Maybe like a BM words. Can accept or cannot accept this one? 1B1. Question 1B1. What do you think? This one. The spelling is wrong. Can you see? You think I can accept the answer or no? We discuss right now. Can I accept or cannot answer this one?
No.
Measuring cylinder. S. The correct spelling is C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Okay, hear me. If you write this one, the spelling is wrong, but I understand you. And then the pronunciation is correct, measuring cylinder. But maybe you some spelling mistake lah. Okay, I can accept this answer, no problem. I will accept this answer. Okay, and then the cylinder itself, the word, the wrong spelling word itself doesn't mean anything, doesn't mean anything else. So I will accept the question. I will accept the answer. Can you understand me? Yeah, I will accept the answer. Sometime maybe you forget. Oh, what is the spelling? The correct spelling for this one? You sometimes forgot. Never mind. I will accept the answer. So how many marks here? 2 marks. Yeah. All right. Is it okay? Okay. Now is 9:56 a.m. Okay. So I will stop here. All right. I will stop here because I want to give you chances for you to rest, because after this you have moral and BM, right? Never mind. I will continue discussion next week, and then also next week we try to, because we have how many period? The new timetable. The new timetable is for science. Yeah. Where is the for science? We have one. Science. We have 7 periods per week in science next week. Okay, so never mind. I will stop here. We try to continue our discussion next week also, maybe in Monday. Okay, you look back at your timetable, all right? Because we have 7 lessons per week. Yeah, comparing for the older, the current timetable only 4 lessons per week, but the new timetable 7. We have plenty of time. So maybe I will stop here, right? And then we can continue the discussion next week. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So now it's 9:57 a.m. So thank you for your participation and your attention. So if I got any information, like usual, I will post it in our Telegram group, right? Okay. So you can leave the class right now. Thank you. See you again next week. Okay. Bye-bye.